Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to export videos without losing quality in CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, so what I'm going to do is open up CapCut. Now from here I've got some projects that I've been working on. So if I want to export this project here, I'm going to click into it. And now I'm going to click on, before I click export, there will be a resolution number here. So at the moment I'm 1080p. So to download this in HD or 2 or 4K, click onto that. And now it's in resolution. So it's set at 1080p like I said. And now I'm going to move this slider all the way to the right and keep frame rate all the way to the right. And now code rate, they'll always recommend what it should be. So I just like leaving it where it is at recommended. You can put on high if you like. And now you can go ahead and export your project in high definition or in 2 or 4K, and you're not losing any quality in the meantime. Because sometimes when you do export your project without playing around with those settings, it's going to export at 480p or 1080p. So just be mindful, always just change it.